Hey everybody, it's Mike here at Pro Steel Products. This is going to be a real quick video. As these tailgates, these swing out, pack out tailgates are going out, the new OEM one, I had to separate the hinges to get them to fit in the box. But there was an important, I did a instruction sheet on how to put these are actually bearings. I did the whole sheet to tell you how to do it, but I figure a picture's worth 1,000 words and a video is worth more than that. So anyway, these hinges, okay, they come in two parts. They have a big pin. I don't have a pin here, but they go down in these holes. And these bearings, I wanted to show you. I hope you can see this, but inside there you can see the bearings, the little ball bearings in there. Now you see that ridge right there? That's where these are put together. That has to be pointing down, okay? That way water and gravity doesn't get in there and mess up your bearings. Now before you install these, you can go ahead and put some grease in there and pack them up real good, but make sure that this little ridge where it goes together is facing down, and they go in between these hinges right here. Now another thing, when we powder coat, we fit these up. That's what holds your tailgate straight. Okay, you're either going to have 2 or 3 of these. This one here will take the 3 because of the size of the hinges. You'll have 2 on the frame side, and you might have 2 on the door gate side, or a longer one on the gate side. Reason being is we ran them out of those, and we had to they were back ordered, so I bought a different hinge. Perfectly the same. I mean, it works out just as well as this one, only you're going to have a bigger hinge on here instead of 2. There'll be 1 grease fitting on there also. Keep them greased up, you won't have a problem. But these 2 bolts right here on these cages on both sides, that's the problem that everybody's having, and it's not my fault. The cage could turn or move, and it's all going to give you grease. Sometimes they won't move and you'll get them right in there. But anyway, it's a lot easier just to put the frame on the machine, and then you're going to have help because you got to move things around and keep it ordered. But after you get the frame on, then it's pretty easy to put the gate on. Just have somebody hold it for you, line it up. Now if these do not fit in between right here, it's because of the powder coating. Now you can, because there's no way of knowing how much powder coating is going to be there and how much clearance. You could take a flat side of a file and put it underneath and just back and forth and take some of the powder coating off on both sides. Just take it off. It's not going to rust on it because you're going to have full grease. So this will give you some extra clearance. Then if you're still having problems, remember that ridge side down, put it in there. If you're stuck like this and it isn't going in, a plastic hammer will do it. Just give it a little tap, get it in there, put the pin down through, go to the next bearing. So after you get it all installed, then install the grease fitting. Okay, install that last because it's real close to that pin. And these will be all greased up, and once you get these in, just don't use steel on these, because this is you don't want to dent this or anything. If you don't have a plastic hammer, use a scrap piece of wood. Just tap on it a little bit. If it's still too tight, come back with your file, take some more of this off, and it should go right in for you. So that's an easy way to do it, but have an extra set of hands. You're going to need it to hold this up, keep it in line. People have been doing pretty good with these. The only problem is these are having, people getting creative with ratchet straps or whatever. But these will bend just a little bit. So if you need to, you can bend them into place. Just flex them, not bend them, flex them. And once it's all installed, you tighten it down, it won't move. Okay, guys. Yep. These are going quick, so the sale's going to be ending pretty soon. So get them now, and I hope this helped you out. This should give you some pretty good tips. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one. See you on the trail.